Blessings and welcome to this week's edition of SongBird Sundays. Woo-hoo. Yay! This week we have a special guest. Herbal Tom is with us.
Blessed to be here. Greetings.
Yes, and I've been friends with Herbal Tom for a while now, and I just learned tonight at dinner that he was once in a Chilean boy band. What was that like?
It was a wild experience. Really great time down in South America with beautiful people, beautiful atmosphere down there. For 2 years singing in the band. It was a blast.
Nice, that's awesome.
Yes.
Yay, so we're gonna sing a song together tonight.
Evoke one of the classics.
Yes. Right now we're experiencing cozy time with our fire in the winter, but we're gonna call in the summertime and appreciate that energy, you know, bringing the warmth.
From the warmth of our hearth to the warmth in yours.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Summertime, and the liver is easy.
Fish are jumping, and the cotton is high.
Oh, your daddy's rich, and your mama's good looking.
So hush, little baby, don't you cry.
Oh, one of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing, and you'll spread your wings and take to the sky.
But till that morning, there's not a soul can harm you. With daddy and mommy standing by. Oh, summertime, and that living so easy. Fish are jumping, and that cotton is high.
Oh, your daddy's rich, and your mom is good looking.
So hush, little baby, don't you cry.
Thank you, blessings, and thank you, Herbal Tom, for joining us. How may we find you?
You can check me out on herbaltom.com, and ladies and gentlemen, the illustrious Lakshmi,
Yay.
Sacred Songbird Sundays.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, so beautiful to share. And this is our first time singing together, so it's really beautiful to experience this with everyone and to witness. And we love you all, and may this warmth carry the summertime and your wintertime, and may you continue to be in cozy time always. Because we're coming out with a remake soon that's going to be a little sound like this, like cozy time.
Yeah, so stay tuned.
Love you.
And blessings.